Ever been frustrated when attempt to scale amount counts don't show your progress? If you test various metals and still are seeing the growth you're hoping for, this video is exactly what you need. I showed you the strategy that finally changed the game for me and it could shift your path as well. One of a kind surprise is in store for you. Make sure to watch the video all the way through and it'll be worth it. Guys, the first interactions, and that's we're gonna use the right Nash, alright? And time frame 5 seconds. We're gonna use only two indicators, Ichimoku and Awesome Oscillator. So let's set up that to continue with this. Alright, Ichimoku 10, 20, and 40 for the settings. And the style, we're just gonna use span A and B with that blue color. Alright, click on save. Awesome Oscillator, we're gonna use 10 and 40. Right? And the style, we're gonna use the blue color. So the color of histogram, as you can see, the heat is blue, and now it's time to look for the signal and start trade session, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, the trade this time is 3 minutes. The amount will be $12. Trade for buy. Press the win button right now and wait for the results. Guys, let me explain and tell how I did the analysis. First and most basic detail. The signals is the crossing in the Ichimoku channel. Down to up on that one. I see the correction start about 2 minutes ago. After a long fall, the candles began to rise up and at some point it crosses the blue channel. After I see that, I need to make sure that the moment wasn't fixed, that's why I waited about 20 more seconds and then open a buy trade. The candles continue to rise. Look at this before crossing the channel in the first detail that I need to find in the current pair. Remember that. The second detail is in this awesome oscillator. Alright, if the candle is just crossing the channel, as you can see right here, it should be the duplicated indicator and the more stable to look better. I see that even new blue candles open lower and lower or open on that. The moment it's very smooth and that's a very good signal. So using these two indicators, you can find signals and entry point as well. That's pretty nice for you and that will be very useful. First, the channel intersection, guys, then the histogram. Simple like that, okay? You can use these both steps by step to perform that. Just pay attention. When you get across on this, you just take a look on Awesome Oscillator. Oh, that can be a good one. Let's wait for 5 candles, all right? We can wait for that, okay? Just to get sure of this. So now about some rules. The trade should be open in the direction of the market. So candle cross the channel from top to bottom or bottom to top. It's mean this to sell trade or the buy trade. It's from bottom to top to open a trade to buy. The candles have not crossed the channel yet. The candle have stopped inside the channel or the candles have already crossed the channel and more than 3 minutes have passed. Then skip the signal and look for a new one. Alright, so let's wait for that, guys. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright, guys, as you can see, the signal was very dangerous. I already tried it would be a loss, but in the last minute the candle riser was up and made a profit of what, $23. So where are we gonna start with that? Let's go to the next one and try to make good profits. I open in the random currency pair, guys, and the first thing I see the Ichimoku channel. Red candles break the channel and fall very fast. Look at this. And this is the first signal for me, so I open it as hell trade. This time is 3 minutes again. Let's see what's happened. I hope it will be profitable rates. The candles and the histogram have also changed position, as you can see. New candles are open and forward it's very good. So now it's remember to tell about some secrets and rules that will help you avoid losing and improve our signals. Okay? Probably the most basic secret is to check past signals. If you see a good signal, always look at the candles over the last couple hours. If you see that such situations could make profits and candles partner the movie without problem, then it makes things to work. But in the past, each local crossing the currency pair looked noisy, for example, or strange, or there's something problem with that. It's better to look for a new signal, guys. I just repeat that again. If your currency pair looked bad in the past, likely all new signals will be bad too and will lose your money. Alright? Just give up that. Remember this, right? Just so you know, that is one of the strategies that completely change your path in this market. To become a pro, mastering the most profitable strategies is a must. But don't worry, I've got two exclusive content pieces that will be key to our growth. Stick with me until the end of the video, guys, and let's do that together. Oh yeah, guys, look at this. $44 in my account right now. The signals is already clear, guys, without no problem. So we are moving on to the next one. Let's go with that. Alright, guys, I have already made a good profit and I want to open another trade. To sum up the results, I opened a trade early right here. I hasn't been 20 seconds yet, but I can already see the new candle hit the histogram that were created. In the past hours, such signals gave profit here, so I try. Alright. I want to tell you that you don't need to look for a bad signal because luck gives your half and success in trading. I try to look for only bad signals and wait for reservation for several hours, but in the end my strategies did not change. You just need to work harder, practice, and understand how the market works. Trading is always about lacking risks, guys. So just try different approaches. Change the time of the trade, I don't know. Alright? Change the time frame if you want it. And after 10, 20, maybe 30 signals, you see how it works and be able to use it daily. Okay? So now let's wait for the results, guys, together. Let's see what's happening with this one. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Alright, guys, that's great signal. My balance is now it's $84. Almost 85, man. I would try. I started with that $12. I have good results for one trade session, so I'm taking a break and continue a little later. I hope this video was useful for you guys. So let's try now. We should do big profits, good trade sessions, good trading strategy, and good trade methods. See you soon on my YouTube channel and Telegram. And don't forget, guys, to leave your comments in the video. Hit the like button and have a good day. See you. Bye bye.